are on unicorn challenge day 2. So we need to take one paper like this, and you need to fold it like this, and then you need to do the same for the next side. And we are going to make unicorn handbag, so it's very easy. So do the steps as I follow, fold as I do, and it should form like 6 over here. So it'll be required like this and like this. The top, this one line you need to cut over here, and do the same for here. One side you need to take one side paper, fold it like this, and then do stick it. Take a paper and then you need to stick it and with washi tapes, ears, and unicorn hair, and you can draw the eyes. I did it on one-sided paper. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all. As you know.